Let's create a textured floral painting using a palette knife. No perfection, no rules, just letting the paint guide the process. Welcome everyone. I start by blocking the background with a deep earthy green. This helps the bright flowers stand out and adds contrast. Just follow along with me, pause whenever you want. No rush. This here is my favorite part. Peeling the tape off and seeing these crisp, clean lines. It's just a wow moment for me. Tell me what you think. In this grey winter season, everything felt heavy, not broken, just tired. So instead of fixing anything, I chose to be gentle. That's why I painted flowers, not to make them perfect, but to remind myself that softness is strength. Each stroke slowed my breathing, each color whispered, "You're allowed to take your time." Healing didn't arrive all at once. It came quietly in moments like this, whenever I chose care over control. So, even in the grayest season, something within me was still blooming, and that was enough. I didn't chase perfection. The imperfections are what make it beautiful. The ways I keep it simple, soft with white strokes with horizontal texture. Loose lines give it a handmade, organic feel. I am using a darker shade of burnt umber to accentuate the vase. This color highlights the vase against the green backdrop. Here you see, I'm not blending much, just placing bold strokes. in layering with paint. I felt so lively and energized while painting these flowers. Comment below if you feel the same. I like working in layers. These layers add depth to your work. I often step back and adjust where it feels necessary. For the leaves, I mix greens with hints of blue and yellow to keep them fresh and lively. Tell me what you like of the colors and what work would you like to see in my next video. Your suggestions mean a lot to me and I get my inspiration from them. And also, these YouTube videos take forever to edit. So please engage with my content. I am new to YouTube and I'm still figuring out how to make these videos. So, engagement will be great for the algorithm and it will encourage me to make more videos for you. Thank you for watching till the end. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.